morning. Good morning. Frank, para sa ito, Frank.
Ay, para sa
Okay
ito.
ka?
Sir Frank.
Frank, you know,
Yes, sir.
I discuss basketball because basketball is number one in the world that in NCAA. So, Perpetual, University of Perpetual joined NCAA in 1984. I know that.
Oh.
In the two championship, Perpetual played against San Sebastian University at the director.
Okay.
And another one in the finals against PCU. So, in the first championship, Perpetual, powered by Bob Hawkins,
Yes, okay.
Pierre Kiday, and Lorenzo,
Yeah.
and miserably lost to San Sebastian, powered by the dignity of Paul Alvarez, Eugene Gelban, and Nam Hapon. In 2024, under coach Loreto Tolentino of PCU, Perpetual lost to the trio of Espena, Jason Castro, and Bobiliga. Now, it is a brand new game, brand new challenge, a brand new year for Perpetual. Now, what is the how would the challenges of Perpetual under coach Olsen Racela?
Mukhang mabigat ang tanong sa akin, Lady.
Binigyan ka muna ng ano.
A moment to.
Kasi during that time talaga, ito pa yung ating venue sa championship nung first, yung na-mention ni Mr. Clyde Mariano. Dito talaga sa Memorial during the time. And the other one is at Araneta during the time of Vice Cristobal. Yun. Hindi nga na si Luerte. So, with the presence of our new coach here, which is part of a good team and the part of ng coaching staff ng isang magaling na kumpanya, we are hoping na baka sakali. We are hoping and na makuha namin yung championship. Pero ang uunahin natin muna dyan, yung isipin natin kung paano tayo makakapasok sa Final Four. Yun ang importante dyan. Final Four before going to the finals in the championship.
From the ultimate goal and dream of Tony Tamayo, the other and the former Las Piñas Vice Mayor,
Yeah.
is to win the basketball crown for the first time in under Olsen Basila. Considering the fact of the effective sports program of Perpetual, especially in basketball, can Perpetual realize the dream this year under Basila?
Yeah, you mean to say this year?
This year.
Okay. Well, sa nakikita ko naman, maganda yung kanyang programa eh. Being a professional coach. Maganda yung kanyang programa. And it so happen na maaari sabihin natin na sabi natin na kung ikaw man ay isang napakagaling na coach, kahit kuhanin mo si Phil Jackson, kuhanin mo si Tim Cone, o si Norman Black, kung kulang ka naman sa materyales, mahirap din. So maybe with the presence now of our new players, kasi sa ngayon hindi pa sila pwedeng maglaro because of the residency requirements. So na-mention nga na baka kung hindi 100 years, 101. Pero baka sakaling pilitin din namin itong 100. Meron pa naman kami mga players na nandiyan pa rin.
Frank, last question. I covered each of the